like that. Well, look, it just about fits without even cutting. I mean, it's pretty close here, kind of rubbing, but this can get cut back a bit. And I think we still got about an inch we can go back over here. I mean, are you starting to picture what I was picturing when I saw these piles of junk laying around? Look how tiny it is. Like a little samurai. Alright, let's keep going. I got some more parts down here. So I think we want to see if that fits on the little off-road project. What do you think? Let's give it a shot. It's an old set of KCs and a nice set of double over bars just in case we flip it over. Those might be a little too big. I feel like with a little cutting, maybe if we cut a couple inches out of this one, maybe a couple inches out of these ones, and bring these in, then it would fit down on the frame rail down here and mount back to the back bumper like that. And I kind of like that look. So maybe we'll hack it. Maybe we'll just hack the center out of it with the Sawzall and bring them together the right amount. So I think that amount would be whatever the inside frame rail here is.